Spider number 3. This is what you get in Australia. Oh, 7. Wait, I don't even know what number I'm at. Hello everyone, this is my family Landcruiser, and you haven't seen it on the channel because I don't really drive it or post it, but it's super dirty, so I'm going to clean it today. My dad's asked me to do the transmission fluid, the auto transmission fluid, so I didn't want to do that until I clean the car because it's disgusting, so disgusting. I'll put a clip in on how dirty and how many spiders are all over it. Spiders. But my dad bought this car brand new in 2000. And it's only done 135,000 Ks, I think. But I'll get on to why it hasn't done many Ks, unfortunately. It has a couple of issues, but we'll get to that later, okay? So I'm going to spray it, and then I'm going to pressure wash it, and maybe come back another day because I have work. Like I only have an hour of sunlight after work. So we'll see where we get to. This car also doesn't get cleaned. So I cleaned it maybe 4 years ago in 2021, 5 years ago in 2021. And I spent hours cleaning it during my uni break, and now it hasn't been cleaned in a really long time. This is the condition of the car. Can you see the spider webs? Yeah, nice. So disgusting. The interior is actually not that bad because I cleaned it a couple of years ago. Just gonna give it a quick vacuum. Mum did this a while ago because she hated the scratch on it. But yeah. It's pretty clean. I'll just give it a little clean on the inside later. This is mostly to do with all the spiders though. There's a cheeky clip of Mr. 2. I washed him a few days ago. He looks so clean. Such a catfish. Doesn't look like this in real life. Oh wait, let me show you with the lights on. Hold on, wait a second. There you go, wow. Thing is crazy. I love the lights. They're so beautiful. Anyway, let's go to cleaning. I cleaned this maybe 5 or 6 years ago. I'll show you the photos. It was disgusting before I cleaned it, and I did the whole interior. I did everything during my uni break, and it's back to this as usual. But I hate killing spiders. I hate killing things like that, but I'm gonna spray some of this. Is that even for spiders? I don't know. I'm gonna spray it. I am a little bit scared because I know all spiders are gonna come out, and I'm wasting a lot of this, but there's so many spiders. Spider number 1, spider number 2, spider number 3. This is what you get in Australia. Oh, spider number 4. You see him? That big guy? He's big on that. Ooh! Big on that leaf. Sorry, man, but you gotta go. Oh my god, that's massive. Sorry. Oh my god, there's a big guy under there. What are you guys doing in my car? Oh! Oh my god. Go away. Spider number 7. Spider count 4, 5, 6, and I'm touching that door. I'm almost out of spider spray. It wasn't that full. Oh, 7. Wait, I don't even know what number I'm at. I'm at like probably 15 now. Oh, poor Landcruiser. It's okay, I'm gonna rinse this stuff off very soon. Another like 5. Oh my god. This is the current state of the car. Looks exactly the same. But it's gonna look very nice soon, I think. I'm gonna get the pressure washer out. Pressure wash it, then it'll probably be dark, so I'll save it for next week after work. I'm really worried to open the boot, but I'm gonna wait until I at least rinse it down. Big spider. I swear that's a new one. That's a new, oh my god, I'm so scared. There's like a wasp or something. At least there's no redbacks. Oh my god. I'm scared. Is that not a funnel web spider nest or something? Look at that hole in there. Okay, I'm gonna pressure wash it now, and we'll see how it goes. I'll try hold it, but I'll probably just time lapse a little video. We'll see. That did nothing. Really? I literally did this. I need to like really scrub it. At least I'll get it off and then I'll let it sit with soap for a while. That didn't do anything. I just did like this part here. Oh my god. It's fine to scratch the paint. This thing is old. Wow. I think I might have to scrub it with my hands. I'll get all the spider webs off anyway. What? What is that? That's massive. Anyway, I'm gonna do a voiceover, so I'm just gonna time lapse this. It's not that fun. I'll do a voiceover on what happened to this car and the story of it, because it's really bad. I also don't know if it's gonna turn on. The battery was dead, so we'll see after. As I mentioned, my parents bought this brand new from Melbourne or Adelaide, and it was transported up to Sydney. This car doesn't have that many kilometers because my parents did drive us a lot, but we didn't really go that far, so that's why it has 135,000 kilometers. We did go to the snow a few times, but that's really all. Sometime before COVID, my brother had taken it away on an off-roading trip. But before he went away, my dad took it to a guy to get tuned so that it wasn't as bad on fuel, because it was currently doing 20 litres per 100. My dad believes that the guy didn't check the oil and that he did end up burning through all the oil during the tuning, because when my brother took it away the next week, it had absolutely no oil in the Blue Mountains. We're not blaming the guy, and we know we should have checked the oil, but I think this is a lead cause to why it blew up. The car was stuck in the Blue Mountains for a while, and then my brother paid a very big cost to get it towed back to Sydney, and then my dad rebuilt the bottom end on the street. And now it kind of runs fine, but it's not perfect. I did a lot of my learning hours on this car, and I drove it a lot when I started driving with all my friends in school. I didn't record. I foam gunned the whole car. There you go, you got it again. I'll let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna rinse it, and then I'm gonna do it one more time, okay? I'm gonna do something I'm gonna regret. I'm gonna open the boot and see what else is left in there, so I'm very scared. Who's in here? Oh my god, probably a lot. I think I've bit off a bit more than I could chew. It's pretty dirty, and it's gonna take me ages to clean, and it's getting dark, so if you guys like this stuff, I could do a series on this car. It won't be too much, maybe just cleaning it up and then servicing it, which I would like to do. It's just it gets so dark so quickly now, and I didn't really get that much done. I had a bit of a test. I can get the paint pretty good. You can see here, practically white again compared to that, but I have to really wipe. And yeah, like you can see I did a little bit here. Did it on the bonnet. The bonnet you can really tell. It's just a lot of effort because these black dots, see those? They do not come out without a lot of scrubbing. So if you guys actually like this content, I will do more of it because I do really love this car. It is my childhood car. She's... What's up? Oh, you're not happy? You happy now? This is my old cat. She's 18. I forgot to do a final walk around. This is a final walk around of how it looks today. I will do more. I will definitely do more. You can see on the bonnet, that's just me wiping it, and it did get a lot of it off, but you can still see all the, sorry, focus? You can still see all the dirt and stuff. But yeah, no more spiders, hopefully. And the back is actually clean. And it's just free of spiders. And they're probably all over the ground here, like right there, so I'm a bit scared. I really miss Cristal. I really like doing the videos with her, but it's just a lot of effort because the time I took to clean all this would have been by the time I got to her house. So that's why I will see her on the weekends, and we'll do videos on the weekends, but I can do things on the weekdays. And yeah, we can put out more videos for you guys. But yeah, I'm really awkward to film alone. I'm just so scared, and I'm very good at doing intros and outros and stuff. So. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!